456 of 24 in the matter of Montalvo and Taylor. So, Mr. Taylor, please raise your right hand. Do you swear and affirm to tell the truth in this case?
Yes.
Please state your full name, your address, and your email.
Terrell Taylor, 174-22, 125th Avenue, Jamaica, New York, 11434. My email is terrelltaylor1985@gmail.com.
Today's court date, are you representing yourself or seeking time to consult hire your own attorney?
Representing myself.
Please state your full name, your address, and your email.
My name is Catherine Montalvo. My address is 4119. My email is catherinemontalvo101@gmail.com.
Today's court date, are you representing yourself or seeking time to consult hire your own attorney?
I'm representing myself.
And Mr. Taylor, are you representing yourself?
Yes.
Last time when the two of you were here, I had advised you that since the birth certificate has another man as the father, a petition has to be filed to vacate that acknowledgement either by the mother or by that person. I see no petition filed.
I don't have contact with the individual.
You still need to file a petition, ma'am. I cannot do anything about it. If you don't have contact, you have to establish contact, find him, or at least show me what efforts you had made to find him. Were you married to him?
No.
Okay, and when is the last time you had any information on him?
It's been 3 years.
3 years is not that long a time.
Last time she was here, she told you that she know where he lives at.
No,
Okay.
I sent the information.
We do not go around looking for people, and there is a legal issue here, which is she put someone else's name as the father. I cannot proceed on Mr. Taylor's petition until we vacate that.
I'm not saying you guys look for anybody. What I'm saying is that she specifically told you last court appearance that she knows where this person stays at. Now she's saying she don't have contact with him.
Okay, can I speak for myself?
Yes.
The only information that I have on him is what's written on the birth certificate. That's the only thing I know. So I can bring in a birth certificate with like his name or number, and the information that he wrote on the birth certificate, but I have no contact.
Ma'am, you need to do the legwork. You need to go and look him up.
That address says like a Connecticut address. There's no way I can get to Connecticut, you know.
Then I don't know what to tell
Check
you.
that number.
I don't know what to tell you. You gotta do the research here. You gotta find out if he's still at that address. If he's moved, there are ways to look for a person, social media, whatever that you wish to do. I am not going to be able to proceed here without having him brought to court, or at least you making efforts to show you make diligent efforts to look for him before we can. How old is this child?
He just turned 3 2 days ago.
Okay, so the child is still young, so before even more time elapses, I would request both of you to take some action here. I'm going to dismiss this case today because there is no point keeping this case on.
Both
When you are able to find this.
both of who? Both of who?
Sorry?
You said I need both of you. Who you talking about? Me and her?
Right, so both of you, because you are still going to be the petitioner in the case since you filed the case.
This has nothing. Me finding a guy that I don't know that she dealt with.
But you don't need to do it, sir. She needs to find that.
So when you said both of you guys,
Right, sir, both of you only because the case is before me filed by you. I'm not holding it to you to look for him.
oh, that's what you just said. That's what you just said though.
Okay, so the mother needs to make that effort to go find this man, or at
If I
least
make the effort to find them and I do not succeed, how would that go? You know, like if I try.
So what you do now is, I'm dismissing this ones who have at least made those attempts, and then you can bring that evidence before me of all the attempts that you made. We will be reviewing it to see whether those were diligent attempts made by you.
I don't.
The only thing I'm able to do is call someone. Again, the address that's on the birth certificate is Connecticut. There's no way I live in the Bronx. So I can go to Connecticut and
Yes,
look for
ma'am.
someone.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you?
Or you have to find someone in Connecticut. You can hire someone in Connecticut. You can send the papers to a process server once you file your second petition. You can send those papers to a process server. Some of these people know how to do it.
Yeah, I show her how to do it, how to do all of that, because it doesn't, because he's in Connecticut, it doesn't stop anything, but she's not aware of that. So I'm gonna show her that. But can you just adjourn the case again, because you dismissing the case is gonna make me have to serve her all over again, and I don't have the time, the resource, the money. I don't have it to do all of that again. So can you please just adjourn the case, and then I'm gonna help her out, because dismissing it, I can't do this all over again. And look.
Speak together.
If I have some time to do that type of research, I will come back the next court date with information. Because that doesn't make any sense.
But it still should have been filed by now.
I went downstairs immediately after the last court date and I filled out some papers and it was like not enough information. So that's the reason why,
Well, you know what? That's why you guys need to be a little more diligent here. I can't keep wasting my whole time where we have thousands of other cases that need to be rescheduled.
This is a child, though. This is a child we're talking about, and I know. Huh? Wait, I can't hear if we speaking at the. What did you say? You keep cutting me off, and you keep talking over me, and you're not letting me speak. What did you say?
I'm making it final for another petition to be filed by the mother. Do it today, May, even if you don't have a proper address for him, to vacate that acknowledgement against that gentleman with his full name and details, whatever you have. Okay?
So.
If it's not done, I will be dismissing this case.
All right. Question, ma'am.
okay, that's fine.
Question.
I will do that. Yes, sir.
Thank you for making another adjournment, but I'm new at family court, so I'm asking this question out of concern. This is a child that we're talking about, right? So if the mother is not doing whatever she got to do, or she's having a hard time, the courts don't get involved. You're just gonna let a child just be fatherless? Is that what the courts is gonna?
So, sir, there's something called due process, which every individual is entitled to, and so is the father or the father listed on this birth certificate too, who's resident of this New York State, who has the same rights as you do. So I understand what you're saying, and of course we are here for the child. That's what I do in every case, sir, not just your case. Every case that comes here is because of a child. So we cannot just go run over someone else's rights and just do orders without anyone being present. So we got to show what searches were done, what efforts were made before we can even go into that step. Okay? I'll see you on December 9th at 12 noon, and that's when I want this petition to be. When you go file this petition today, ma'am, or within the next couple of days, they will be able to put that petition on the same date as this. Which means that from now up to December 9th, you have a time to find him. If you need a later date, I can give you in January if you wish that that's not enough time to do the search. Okay, December 9th, find him, do the search, whatever last known addresses you have for him, go there or send someone. There's postal, verification that can be done, whichever ways you want to find, and you will have to provide me with an affidavit of showing all of that diligent search by that person whoever did it, and by you as to what other social media or other places that you looked at to find him, and then we will see you on December 19th.
Do you have
next time when we send you notices for virtual, look at your notices. You had both been notified prior to this date that there had been a change from in person to virtual. On the 19th, however, it is in person. Okay? So
The 9th or the 19th?
The 19th, December 19th.
Can it be virtual? Because my son started to be king. I don't want, he missed school today and then he's gonna have to miss the another court date. And
Why does he have to miss
so
school when you have to be in court, ma'am?
because I live in the Bronx, there's no way I'm gonna take a chance of coming over here, you know what I mean? And then I don't make it back to my son. A virtual will be fine.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I can send you.
I have to give you dates that are available to me, ma'am.
If that's
so
the thing,
please-
that's what I'm explaining. My son's in 3K now, so I don't wanna just pull him out of any, class every single time I have to come here. Cause there's no way I can come all the way to Queens and go all the way back to the Bronx. I'm not taking that chance that I don't make it to pick up my child.
What time do he get out of school?
Winter and my child gets sick a lot, and that's cold to come all the way over here, and a virtual will be good. I can do a virtual.
It's not what you want to do, ma'am, it's what we have available. Alright, so I've been trying to squeeze you in on the 10th, which is December 18th at 10 a.m. And that is going to be a virtual hearing. But go file your petition, okay?
Your Honor, can I get a written decision? What was done today?
No, sir, there is a written decision because there is no decision. It's an adjourned case.
Could I get anything in writing from you regarding what took place today? Anything?
No, sir.
Okay.
It's not that took place today.
No problem.
There will be proceedings at the next court date, hopefully. And we will see you on December 18th at 10 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you.